Bluebird in the backyard, hoping that they are going to be checking out the Bluebird box in the backyard for occupancy. Let me see if I can get back there. I'm on big time focus here. Cute. May the 6th of 2020. I cleaned out the Bluebird box yesterday, and we've got a Bluebird sitting on the fence right above the box, so stay tuned. We will watch the progress. Looks like I need to clean my back door so that this video will be more enjoyable. Beautiful. Oh yeah, looks like we've got a family moving in. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Welcome. It's kind of a primitive little shed that I've got back there for you, but hope you enjoy it. Beautiful. Looks like our Bluebirds are still active. Very cool.